Are you wondering what the difference is between a lawyer and an attorney? In the United States, there is a profound difference between the two. Both lawyer and attorney are terms used to describe a person who has been admitted to practice law. But there are differences in their roles and responsibilities. What is a lawyer? A lawyer is someone who has graduated from an accredited law school and has passed the bar exam in the state in which they are practicing. Lawyers are experienced in legal procedures and are equipped to advise clients on legal matters. Lawyers are often required to do research, draft documents, and engage in negotiations. Lawyers may also serve as advocates in court proceedings. What is an attorney? An attorney is a lawyer who has been admitted to practice law in the state in which they are practicing. Attorneys have the right to represent clients in court proceedings and can also serve in more specialized roles, such as a corporate counsel. Attorneys may specialize in certain areas of the law, such as criminal, family, or tax law. All attorneys are lawyers, but not all lawyers are attorneys. Attorneys and lawyers are two different things. Lawyers are qualified to provide legal advice and representation in court, but there are important differences between them. A lawyer is not always an attorney, but an attorney is not always a lawyer. Attorneys are lawyers who have passed the bar exam in the state in which they practice. By passing the bar exam, an attorney proves that they have the necessary knowledge and experience to practice law. A lawyer may also be a member of a professional organization such as the American Bar Association, ABA. As a result, attorneys have more experience in the legal field. In contrast, not all lawyers are attorneys. Some lawyers study law at college or take courses related to law, but do not take the bar examination. It is possible for these lawyers to provide legal advice, but they cannot practice law. Lawyers are licensed to practice, but attorneys are licensed to practice law and have more legal experience. The main difference is that attorneys have passed the bar exam. Attorneys have completed the rigorous process of studying for and passing the bar exam. In order to become an attorney, an individual must first attend an accredited law school and pass the bar exam in the state in which they wish to practice law. This can be a very lengthy and challenging process. Once the bar exam is passed, attorneys are granted the privilege of practicing law in the state. Unlike lawyers, who may not have gone through the same process of taking the bar exam, attorneys are qualified to provide more comprehensive legal advice and services. This is why attorneys are more often sought after for certain legal matters, such as representing a client in court, filing a lawsuit, or providing legal advice for complex business transactions. Attorneys are also much better equipped to represent clients in any disputes or litigation that may arise. Because they have studied the relevant laws and successfully passed the bar exam, attorneys have a far better understanding of the nuances and complexities of the legal system than lawyers who may have not gone through this process. Overall, attorneys are much more qualified than lawyers when it comes to providing legal advice or representing a client in court. They have gone through a rigorous process to gain knowledge of the laws and to gain admission to the bar. Therefore, when someone needs legal assistance, it is best to seek out an attorney to ensure they are getting the best advice possible. Attorneys also have more experience in the legal field. Attorneys have more experience than lawyers, as they have passed the bar exam and are therefore qualified to practice law. This means that they are familiar with a variety of legal matters and are better suited to advise clients on their options. Attorneys typically specialize in specific areas of the law, such as tax, corporate, or family law, and they often work in these areas for many years. This specialization allows them to gain a deep understanding of their chosen field, which helps them provide effective counsel to their clients. In addition to the knowledge they have gained through their legal studies, attorneys can also draw on their years of experience working in the field. This means that attorneys are able to provide clients with comprehensive advice that takes into account all the nuances of their case. This experience also allows them to identify potential issues before they become a problem and help clients avoid costly mistakes. Finally, attorneys can help ensure that a client's rights are protected throughout the legal process, from helping to draft contracts and other documents to ensuring that all relevant laws are followed. Attorneys can provide invaluable assistance in navigating the complex legal system.